In this video, I will demonstrate the Herringbone Cast On. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notice each time I go live or post a new video. The Herringbone Cast On is a cast-on seen in Estonian knitted items, and it puts a twist on the long-tail cast-on, literally. You'll see what I mean in just a second. For this cast-on, you begin with a slip knot and a long tail. I will demonstrate with one color first, and then show you what it looks like when worked in two colors. The way the yarn is held is slightly different than a long tail cast-on. This is our slingshot position, with the tail coming over the thumb and the working yarn going over the index finger. For this cast-on, we need the tail going over the thumb and to the inside. So we open our thumb up, and we're going under this inside thumb strand and catching an index finger strand, and then tightening things up. Then we have to rotate our strands. So the index finger strand comes forward and the thumb strand goes behind to the index finger. And we wrap the yarn around the thumb so the tail is going into the center of the hand, and we repeat that. Now our yarns twist, and I bring my thumb around so the tail is going into. Grab that thumb strand, catch that index finger strand, pull it through, tighten. Then rotate, and your yarns will get twisted. That is just the nature of this. So I have my thumb positioned like so. I catch that inside thumb, grab the index finger strand, pull it through, tighten, rotate, under that inside thumb strand, like so. Rotate again, reposition, and twist. Reposition my thumb, under, catch that, and tighten. Twist. Twist. My tension has been a little uneven, but you can see it makes this braided appearance on the cast-on edge. Let me do a few more. So I need to twist, reposition my thumb, twist, reposition my thumb, twist, 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 like so. Let me show you how this looks in 2 colors. For a 2-color version, you will join your 2 colors and make a slip knot. Like so. One color will be going over your index finger, and one color will be going over your thumb, but these will be changing with every stitch. So again, the thumb needs to come around like so, so that the tail is going down from the outside of your thumb to the inside of your thumb. And we're going to grab that inside thumb loop and grab the index finger strand and pull. Not too tight. Now we're going to anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, rotate, twist these stitches, these yarns, I mean. And then the thumb goes inside, and then we get that inside strand, catch the finger strand, and pull. Rotate again, thumb inside, catch, pull, rotate again, thumb inside, catch, rotate, thumb inside, catch. Rotate, thumb inside, catch. Come a little farther out. Rotate, thumb inside, catch. My yarns are getting twisted. I'm using 2 working skeins. So I want to untwist them. So I'm going to anchor what I have on my right hand needle and untwist. Like so. Now, that's where I ended, so I need to rotate and do a few more. Here's what it is looking like. Rotate. Oopsie. Rotate. Rotate. I will link the reference where I found this cast on in the description box below. Your first row, in order to get the braid to appear on the right side of the fabric, your first row after casting on, and you turn your work, needs to be a wrong side row. So I'm going to cut these 2 colors and join a 3rd color So you can see what this edge looks like against a contrasting color. Here's what this looks like in two colors, with a third joined to work the body of the knitting. Here's what it looks like in one color. Notice the herringbone is facing to the right. It's a chain moving to the right. If you want to reverse this, we can switch things up a little. Start with a slip knot on your needle with the yarn held in slingshot position this time, exactly as for a long tail cast on. And we will make a stitch like a long tail cast on. This time when we twist our yarns though, the yarns need to twist clockwise. So the thumb yarn needs to go to the back and the index finger yarn to the front. And you can stay in slingshot and make a long tail cast on. And then the yarns twist. So this might be easier. This is a Latvian braid cast on. I'll do a few and show you how the chain is facing the other direction. Again, your yarns will get twisted. And it's quite easy to work this too tightly. So be aware. So here you can see the braid is facing to the right. And again, our first row when we turn will need to be a wrong side row in order to keep that braid to the front. But you could use two colors just like the other version as well. Here's what this cast on looks like when you are done. It creates a braid facing to the left. So that was the herringbone cast on, and a variation on that to give you the Latvian braid cast on. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.